Are you over 40 and expecting a baby? Congratulations. Expecting a baby at this age is full of excitement. Also, with excitement, there are certain concerns in the mind of the couple who are having the baby at the age of 40 plus. There are certain risks associated with the advanced age pregnancy. There is an increased risk of miscarriage, increased risk of chromosomal abnormalities, especially the Down syndrome, because as a part of the aging, the quantity of the eggs in the ovaries decrease, but also the quality of the eggs decrease. So because of the poor quality of the eggs, there would be the increased chance of the miscarriage and increased risk of the chromosomal abnormalities, especially the Down syndrome. But we do have the test to screen the pregnant woman for these complications, and if the screening test shows there is any high risk of Down syndrome, then we do have the measures to take care of the pregnancy. And also because of the advanced age, there is an increased risk of diabetes, gestational diabetes, high blood pressure in the form of preeclampsia, and other complications can occur as a result of the advanced age. But definitely with the proper care and guidance from your doctor and follow-up visits with the doctor, everything can be monitored well. So whenever you are expecting a pregnancy at this stage of life, take care to follow healthy lifestyle, eat healthy food, lots of fruits, vegetables, good amount of proteins, especially the pulses, eggs, milk and milk products, and stay active, do low impact exercises, and be regular with your prenatal vitamins, take them in the adequate dose prescribed by your doctor, and don't miss your prenatal checkups, because your health as well as the proper monitoring of the growth of the baby will only be monitored by the doctor. So don't do self-medication or don't skip your antenatal visits. Be regular with your follow-up. If you follow up with the doctor properly and you are having a good support system with in the form of a helping and loving partner and good friends and family support, you would be able to sail through the pregnancy without complications. You just have to be stress-free, enjoy this phase of pregnancy, be happy, and eat your food well, and maybe you can do some stress busting activities like meditation, listening to calm and light music, and reading some good book on the pregnancy. So don't worry, your pregnancy, if taken care of in the hands of a good gynecologist, usually lands up in a good and healthy pregnancy with a good outcome. Thank you.